Hello and welcome. In this guide, we will show you how to use a Panasonic air conditioner step by step. If you are using this brand for the first time, don't worry, this tutorial is for you. Let's start with the power button. You will see a yellow button labeled on off on the remote. Press it once to turn the air conditioner on. Press it again to turn it off. When it's off, the display will show the word off. Next is the powerful mode. This mode helps cool your room as fast as possible. Press the powerful button and the word powerful will appear on the screen. The fan will blow strongly and the machine will run at full power. After 30 minutes, we recommend turning it off to save energy. Otherwise, the system will automatically stop after 4 hours. Now, let's talk about temperature control. Use the up and down arrows to change the temperature. Many people like to set it to the lowest, around 16 degrees Celsius, but that is not recommended. Instead, set it between 24 and 26 degrees for comfort and energy savings. Panasonic also has an energy feature. This mode is designed to clean the air. Press the energy button, and a small fan icon will appear. This technology removes dust and bacteria from the air. Panasonic is well known for this feature. However, we cannot confirm how effective it is in practice. Let's move on to the fan speed. Press the fan button to adjust the speed. You can choose auto, level 1, 2, or 3. There's also a quiet mode, which is great for sleeping. If you want the AC to make less noise, use this setting. Now, let's adjust the airflow direction. Use the swing button to make the fan move up, down, left, or right. This helps spread the cool air evenly across the room. To change the AC's operating mode, press the mode button. You will see options like cool, dry, and auto. Cool is for cooling the room. Dry helps reduce humidity. Auto lets the AC adjust everything automatically. Please note this is a cooling-only model. It does not have a heating mode. There is also a sleep mode. This mode turns the AC on and off to save power when you sleep. It's not necessary if you already set a timer. Speaking of timers, let's learn how to use them. Press the timer button. You will see options for turning the AC on or off at specific times. Set the time using the arrow buttons, then press set to confirm. If you want to cancel, press cancel. If your remote stops working or behaves strangely, don't panic. Take a toothpick and gently press the small reset hole. Do not touch the technician's reset button unless advised. That's it for today's guide. We hope this helps you enjoy your Panasonic air conditioner more confidently. If you found this useful, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and take care.